Hey, how is it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And look at that. Looks like today we might be getting close to all-time lows in the QQQ. Let's see. We're at 274. We were at 273, and the lowest point we've ever been was 269. So maybe another day, maybe tomorrow. Oh, actually today's Friday. Sorry. Maybe next week we'll see all-time lows, 52-week lows on the QQQ, and we might go to see lower lows. And I don't know how much lower we can go. We might just go back to pre-COVID highs, so 230s. We just might go down to that low. I'm not sure, but what I really want to talk about is we just need to hang in there, guys. We just really need to hang in there. I don't know how long this is going to last. Maybe the rest of this year, might be even into next year. Who knows? But the way that I'm playing this right now is I'm not even really looking at the prices. I mean, I make videos talking about, oh, look at the stocks going down, look at the stocks going down, blah, blah, blah. But really, I'm not really paying attention to that. The thing that I'm really paying attention to is the number of shares I have and the number of coins I have, right? And of course, I'm also looking at my margin levels. I don't want to increase my margin that much. I want to keep it either the same or bring it down. So those are the things that I'm really looking at. Right now, I'm just really looking at this, right? I'm looking at 265 shares, right? The lower Shopify goes, the easier it is for me to increase the shares, right? We're seeing Shopify of $28. I was buying this one in the 70s. So right now, I can get more than three times the amount of shares that I was getting before, or right about three times, right? So I'm like, okay, so whenever I can, I'll deposit my money. So I'll deposit my $400 every 2 weeks, my $1,000 every month, and every month I deposited $1,000, and Shopify continues to go down. That $1,000 equals to actually more shares. So maybe last month Shopify was at $40, so maybe I could only get maybe like 2.5 shares. So I can only get, like, out of the $100 that I deposit, I can only get about 2.5 shares. And now with Shopify being closer to 25, I can get 4 shares. So my $100 that I deposit in is worth more shares, which is good. I would want to get more shares, increase my share count, and that's the whole goal for me. For as long as the market is down, I want to increase the number of shares I have for each of my holdings. Same thing with Ethereum. Every time Ethereum goes down another $100, I buy some more. Another $100, I buy some more. It goes down to low 1200s, I'm gonna buy another 0.1 coins, right? If it goes down to 1,000, I'm gonna buy another more. I'm gonna buy another 0.1 coins. If it goes down to 900, I'm gonna buy another 0.1 coin, right? That's the plan, and I'm gonna continue to do that for as long as it takes. I'm gonna keep riding the wave. I'm gonna keep buying, not really looking at anything else. Of course, the market's going to continue to be super volatile. As long as the market continues to be volatile, as long as the market continues to go down, I will be buying slowly but surely. I will be buying as much as I can for as long as the market is down. That's the plan, guys. Stick to the plan. Whatever companies you're holding, whatever ETFs you're holding, whatever you're holding, right? You want to increase your ownership in shares no matter how low the markets go. The markets might go down another 10-20%. Never know. Markets could be already, this might be the lowest point we'll ever see. We will never know. But for me, I'm going to continue to buy. I want to get as many shares in the Shopify's, Palantir, ChargePoints, TTCF, IIPR. I want to buy PayPal. I want to buy MP, Meta, Amazon, Corsair, Neo. I want to buy as much Ethereum as possible. I want to do that. Next week on Tuesday, I get paid. Maybe I'll be able to deposit $200 to $400 again. And probably if the market continues to go down, I'll probably be looking to buy maybe some ChargePoint, maybe some TTCF. Increase my ownership in Meta. I think Meta's a pretty good buy right now. It can go lower, of course, but if the lower it goes, I'll keep on buying, And of course, if I'm consistent, keep on depositing $1,000, and if the market continues to go down, that $1,000 will be worth more. Will be worth more in shares. Maybe I'll only be able to buy 1 share today of whatever stock, and maybe in a month from now I'll be able to buy 1.2 or 1.3 shares for the same dollar amount. So that's the plan. I'm gonna continue to do it as long as I don't get margin called, which most likely will not happen as long as the market doesn't go down 50% or whatever. I will continue to deposit. I will continue to buy. That's the plan, guys. For me, I don't really care for how long the market goes down. I would actually like the market to stay down for longer. Uh, I'm no expert or anything. Looks like they might just continue to increase interest rates hardcore. I mean, we don't even know how earnings are going to be this year. I think with the interest rates that they've been hiking up this year, we might not see those effects on the companies just yet. We might see it maybe in the next quarter, not this quarter. So we will see. Maybe this earnings will be okay, and then the next earnings will be pretty bad, and then we'll see another leg down. I mean, I don't know. People are saying, like, of course I listen to what people say, and they're saying that maybe we'll see S&P 500 down to 3,300 or whatever, or we might see what is it, 3,300? I don't even know how low that would be, or even 3,000. S&P 500 to 3,000. I mean, people are saying like to that we might see pre-COVID highs right there. We might go back to as low as here, which would be another 10 to 15% drop. And I don't know if that happens. We might see the rest of this year just red, 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 red. And I mean, we're getting close to the end of September. There's still October, November, December, so there's still a little more than 3 months. We might just continue to see red. We might see a little relief rally, like always, a dead cat bounce, and then we might continue to go down lower. Never know, guys. But for me, I'm going to continue to buy as long as I go back up to into the $35,000 range. So I'm going to continue to buy and deposit more money until my portfolio gets back up to about $35,000 to $40,000, and then after that, I'll probably just let my portfolio ride and probably start stacking up my cash. But I don't see that happening probably for maybe the rest of this year, maybe the rest of next year too. So it'll be a long ride. Most likely, like I said, it will probably last quite a while. We might see the rest of this year be pretty tough, and maybe some of next year be pretty tough, and maybe all of next year be pretty tough. It's just, I don't know. It's just super uncertain with everything that's going on, But just hang in there, stick to the strategies, continue to dollar cost average. If you are long in the market, I mean, I'm planning on being on this market for 10, 20, 30 years. I'm pretty young. I'm in my early 20s, so most likely I'll anything right now, if I keep buying, will be worth a lot more into the next 20, 30 years. So I'm just going to continue to buy every month, anywhere from like $6,000 to $1,000. Continue to average down on my positions, add some new positions. Of course, I want to add some other things, but just not that much money right now for me. So yeah, but just stick to the strategy, guys. Hang in there. It's gonna be a while, but stay consistent, and that's all I have for you guys. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.